If you want to see how I went from this to this, then keep on watching. But first, you get a pack of hair. You cut that into 3 strands. You feather it out.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear.
This is all I hit.
Grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
So hi guys, how are you guys doing? Basically what I'm doing is feeding braids, so I'm just adding the extensions, and instead of taking them over, I take them under. So what I do is I grab a piece of hair, I pass that over, I braid one side of the extension, I let one piece go, then after I put it under the other one. Guys, I don't know if I have made any sense, but basically this is so easy, guys. And yeah, I think I'll just keep quiet now and just let you watch, because it's like I'm not helping.
When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have but I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like ever like ever like ever like ever like ever like when it hurts like this, ever like ever like ever like ever like when it hurts like this.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
is the finished look. I did do my edges off camera, as you can see, and I did my makeup off camera too. So guys, yeah, this is the second time I'm actually doing my own feeding braids, because the first time I tried it didn't turn out so great, and this is the second time, and I'm really proud of myself because I believe I've done better than the last time. So I'm going to show you guys the close-up. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you're new here, and I promise you're going to love it here. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.